Hello viewers and welcome to Review Information. In this video I will show you how to restore missing friend requests tab on Facebook. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified any updates. To begin, open the Facebook app on your phone. Tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. Then tap on the settings gear icon beside the search icon. Under Preferences, go to Navigation Bar. Then select Customize the bar. Here you will see Friend Requests. Tap the drop-down menu next to it. From the menu that pops up, select Pin. Now go to your home screen. And you will see the Friend Requests tab is back. Similar way you can restore any of the missing tabs. So in this way, you can restore missing Friend Requests tab on Facebook. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.